Hello everybody, today we're going to play some more Monster Hunter Freedom Unit. As you can tell, I am using my real voice. This is because it takes so long to just add all the subtitles, the text and everything. And I'm kind of short scheduled, which is a problem. Okay? Also, from this point forward in the video, hear any audio, I'm just going to let you know off the game. I don't know why my editing app is not showing it, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna have to change my recording app as well. So please like and subscribe, and I hope you like this video. I think the quest I'm going to choose is going to be the Landshark one. Yeah, hopefully I can beat it, because last record this without audio was deleting, and I struggled with trying to find and kill the Landshark. So yeah, let me just first get all this loot, all the supply we need. Then start looking for it. Well, here we go. Let's see if this is gonna be a failure of an episode or a success. Who knows? One time will tell. So let me just eat some of this food real quick to get some extra stamina. And let me just never mind. Also, I'm gonna cut back when I actually find the Landshark, because this audio, that's not audio. Trying to find a Landshark took me ages, and I don't know why it took me that long. So I'm gonna cut when I find the Landshark. Okay guys, we found the Landsharks. Now it's just a process of me trying to find out how to kill these. I can't find one, I just died and I quit it. Anyways, so I think I might just first use these bomb thingies I have. Go stick this sword and kill this Landshark. Pause. We found the Landshark. So it's only 3 minutes into the video. Video is 18 minutes long. You know, speak. So I think I should speed this up. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna speed this up by times 3.5 or something. So yeah. Yeah, this is still way slow. I'm gonna speed this up even more now. Hello guys, I'm back. So maybe next episode I'll try to find out how to kill the Lancer and maybe kill the so anyway, I'm gonna save the game. Please like and subscribe and enjoy your day. Goodbye.